Could 5 total body moves, done in stillness, be the secret your fitness routine is missing? This isn't about lifting more. It's about unlocking a deeper layer of strength you already have. For anyone who's ever felt too busy for the gym, or just wanted a simpler way to build resilience, what if the answer was not moving at all? That's the power of isometric training. Instead of reps, you hold. Instead of momentum, you use tension. This method builds formidable strength, rock-solid stability, and enduring stamina. And the best part is, you need zero equipment. I'm going to guide you through 5 foundational isometric holds that will fortify your entire body, reshape your posture, and upgrade your endurance. But first, I want to connect with you. Drop a comment below with your name and where you're joining from today. Now, let's begin with position number 5, the gliding bridge. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Now, press through your heels and lift your hips towards the ceiling, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold that peak position. This static bridge primarily targets your glutes, hamstrings, and the entire posterior chain, while also engaging your core. The magic happens in the pause. By maintaining this lift, you activate stabilizing muscles that support your lower spine and reinforce healthy posture.
The key is control, not height. Squeeze your glutes to lift, but avoid overarching your lower back. Keep your gaze upward, neck relaxed, and breathe steadily. Holding your breath spikes unnecessary pressure. This exercise is a game changer for anyone who sits all day, reviving muscles that switch off and combating the aches that follow. You'll notice a new firmness in your stride and daily movements. Start with a 25-second hold for 3 rounds. If you feel any discomfort in your back, check your form. You might need to tuck your pelvis slightly or focus harder on glute activation. Your mind-body connection will sharpen here. You'll learn to feel the difference between just holding a position and truly igniting the intended muscles. To advance, try a single leg variation or add a small weight on your hips, but only after the standard form feels solid. All you need is a comfortable floor. A common error is letting the ribs flare and the lower back sag. Inhale as you prepare, exhale as you lift and hold. A gentle burn in your glutes and hamstrings means it's working. Consistency with the gliding bridge builds a protective foundation for your pelvis and spine, preventing imbalances that lead to injury. Progress by increasing your hold time to 35 or 45 seconds, always prioritizing flawless technique over duration. Strength isn't always measured in motion. Sometimes it's found in perfect stillness.
Position 4, the hovering press-up. This is a potent twist on the classic push-up. It challenges your chest, shoulders, triceps, and entire core through sustained tension, not repeated motion. Begin in a high plank, hands just outside your shoulders, body forming a rigid line from head to heels. Lower yourself halfway down, bending your elbows until you feel a deep engagement across your upper body. Now, stop. Hold that position. This is where real endurance is built. Aim to hold for 15 to 20 seconds initially for 3 sets. If that's too intense, drop to your knees to reduce the load. The most crucial part is preventing your hips from sagging or piking up, which breaks alignment and strains your lower back or shoulders. Another pitfall is hiking your shoulders toward your ears. Keep them pressed down and away. The isometric press-up builds incredible staying power in your upper body, fortifying your chest and boosting shoulder integrity. This static line also forces your core to work overtime to keep your torso suspended, protecting your spine. Furthermore, this hold strengthens the connective tissues around your shoulders and elbows, which is vital for any pushing activity in life. For better posture and defined arms, this is a timeless tool. When 20 seconds becomes manageable, push to 30, 50, or even a full minute, never sacrificing form. To vary it, you can hold at a lower point, closer to the floor, which dramatically increases the demand. You can also stagger your hand positions, but master the basic hold first. Build your foundation patiently to ensure lasting gains without setback.
Exercise 3, the silent wall. Sit. The isometric squat, often called the wall sit, pours intense focus onto your quadriceps, glutes, and abdominal muscles, all without a single repetition. Simply slide your back down a wall as if sitting in an invisible chair, knees bent to about 90 degrees, and hold. You can also perform this freestanding, which adds a balance challenge. In either version, Expect a rapid fire in your thighs due to the profound contraction. Beginners, try holding for 20 seconds across 3 sets. With the wall, ensure your entire back is flush against it, avoiding an arched lower back. In the free version, keep your torso upright, and don't let your knees drift far past your toes to protect your joints. Maintain an open chest and a braced core to share the effort evenly. This hold reinforces the stabilizers around your knees, making everyday actions like stair climbing safer. It also rigorously engages your core to anchor your spine, which directly improves your posture. You'll feel endurance skyrocket as your muscles quiver under the sustained load, a sign of deep fiber activation. As you advance, lengthen the hold or add weight, like holding a single dumbbell. First though, cement your technique and breathing. Don't hold your breath. Inhale as you descend, exhale slowly throughout the hold, your mind locked on maintaining position. Breath holding can cause lightheadedness and curb your potential. Its simplicity and zero equipment nature make it a perfect slot-in exercise for home, office, or even outdoors. Gradual progression in hold time yields remarkable gains in leg power and overall conditioning. This practice also fine-tunes your bodily awareness, teaching you to sense joint alignment and muscular engagement with newfound clarity. Your body's strongest position is one it can maintain with control. Before we reveal the final 2 transformative holds, if you're finding this valuable, please take a second to subscribe. In a world full of fitness noise, having a clear, science-informed path is what creates real lasting change for your channel winds of thought. Position 2, the prone soarer. Lie face down on the floor, arms stretched out in front, legs straight behind you. Simultaneously lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground as if you're hovering. This is the prone soarer. This static exercise powerfully works your entire posterior chain, lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. The benefit unfolds in the stillness. Holding this shape activates deep spinal support muscles that are crucial for posture and pain prevention. The secret is length, not height. Lift just enough to feel your back and glutes tighten, without straining your neck. Look down slightly to keep your neck neutral, and maintain smooth, even breaths. This is especially corrective for prolonged sitting, reawakening dormant muscles. It can alleviate chronic discomfort and add assurance to your movement. Start with 20-second holds for 3 sets. If your lower back feels pinched, reassess. You may be lifting too high or forgetting to squeeze your glutes. This exercise builds profound body awareness. You learn to distinguish between merely lifting limbs and genuinely contracting the target muscle groups. For progression, try lifting opposite arm and leg, or place light weights in your hands, but only after the basic form is mastered. You need only a clear space. Typical mistakes include overarching the lumbar spine and breath retention. Inhale to prepare, exhale as you lift and hold. A mild, deep ache in the targeted areas signals effectiveness. With regularity, the prone soarer constructs a robust anchor for your lower back, preventing compensatory patterns that invite injury. Build up to 30 or 40-second holds, always within the bounds of impeccable technique. And now, the first position, a foundational giant for upper body and grip strength, the still hang. This final hold is deceptively simple. Hang from a secure bar or branch with both hands. But the stillness here is where transformation occurs. It builds relentless grip, forearm, shoulder, and lat strength while gently decompressing the spine. It's the ultimate test of sustained tension. Start with a shoulder-width grip, and simply let your body weight hang. Hold that position. Focus on pulling your shoulder blades down your back slightly to engage your lats, rather than sinking into your shoulders. Breathe deeply into your ribs. Beginners might aim for 15-20 seconds. This exercise is a cornerstone for shoulder health and grip endurance, which underpins almost every other strength feat. It teaches your body to handle load with stability. As you grow stronger, increase your hang time in small increments. The still hang reminds us that sometimes, the simplest holds offer the most profound strength. There you have it, 5 isometric pillars to rebuild your body's strength from the inside out. Implement these, be consistent, and you will feel the difference in your stability, posture, and power. If this guide served you, show some love. Hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps our channel Winds of Thought grow. And share your progress in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching. What if the most transformative strength exercises required nothing but your own body and a willingness to hold completely still? Welcome back. We're diving into the final 3 foundational isometric holds that will completely redefine your strength, stability, and how you approach fitness at any age. These are the unsung heroes of functional training, moves that forge resilience from the inside out. And I'm going to break down every detail so you can master them safely. But first, let me know you're here. Comment below with one area of your body you'd like to strengthen the most. Let's jump into our third powerful hold, the static hang. This move appears straightforward, just hanging from a bar. But within that stillness lies a profound test for your grip, shoulders, and core. By suspending your full body weight, you ignite your forearms, hands, and lats, building the foundational strength for more advanced pulls. Grab the bar with a comfortable shoulder-width grip, palms facing as you prefer. Keep your arms straight, but don't let your shoulders creep up to your ears. A slight sway is normal initially. Counteract it by bracing your abs and glutes. Beginners, target 15 to 25 seconds for 3 sets. Build gradually to 30, 45, or 60 seconds, always listening to your body. The key mistake is total shoulder relaxation, which transfers strain to the neck. Instead, think of gently drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And breathe. Inhale before you lift your feet. Then exhale slowly during the hold to manage pressure. Beyond building formidable grip and shoulder integrity, the static hang offers gentle spinal decompression, easing minor compression between vertebrae. If you have existing shoulder or back concerns, start cautiously and consider professional guidance. The beauty is its simplicity and accessibility. Use a bar at a park, a door frame pull-up bar, or a gym. Once the basic hang feels easy, you can explore advanced variations like a single arm hold, but that demands significantly more strength. Remember, even changing your palm direction slightly alters the focus on your forearm and shoulder muscles. This is about building a base of unwavering stability. Position 2, the elevated bridge hold. This isometric bridge zeroes in on your posterior chain, your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while demanding serious core engagement. Start by lying on your back, knees bent, feet flat and planted close to your body. Drive through your heels to lift your hips until you form a straight diagonal line from shoulders to knees. Now, hold. The secret is a fierce contraction in your glutes and a tight abdomen, locking your body into a solid, inclined plank. Newcomers, aim for a 25-second hold across 3 sets. As you advance, push for 35 or 45 seconds without letting your hips drop. If you feel your lower back complaining, adjust your height. You might be overarching. The goal is a straight line, not an extreme curve. Pressing your heels down actively will fire up your glutes even more. This hold is a direct antidote to the weaknesses caused by prolonged sitting. Sluggish glutes lead to back pain and poor posture. Strengthening them shields your spine and bolsters stability for walking, stairs, and squats. The sustained contraction wakes up muscle fibers that dynamic movements often miss. Breathe with control. Inhale to prepare. Exhale as you lift and hold. This oxygen flow helps maintain proper tension without straining your neck. To level up, try a single leg variation, extending one leg straight out, but always alternate sides to prevent imbalance. A comfortable mat is all you need. For an added challenge, you can position your upper back on a stable, low bench, increasing the range of motion. The principle remains: glutes engaged, core firm, alignment pristine. This exercise proves you can prepare your body for life's demands without any fancy equipment. True strength is built not in the rush of movement, but in the resolve of a perfect hold. And now, our first and most fundamental position, the Unshakable Plank. We finish with a core classic, the Isometric Plank. The rule is simple. Maintain a rigid straight line from your head to your heels, supported on your forearms and toes. Start by holding for 20 seconds across 3 sets. If that's tough, scale back to 10-15 seconds to build endurance. Keep your hips perfectly aligned. Don't let them sag or poke upward. Your head stays neutral, eyes on the floor, to protect your neck. A frequent error is breath holding, which spikes blood pressure and causes premature fatigue. Inhale as you set up, then exhale steadily throughout the hold. The plank comprehensively fortifies your entire core, while also challenging shoulder and lower back stability. This muscular reinforcement directly translates to better posture, as a stronger abdomen is a better supporter for your spine. It's infinitely adaptable. To simplify, drop to your knees. To intensify, try a side plank or lift an arm or leg. Its equipment-free nature makes it accessible anywhere. Consistency here improves performance in any task requiring core strength, from carrying groceries to simply standing tall. Progression is flexible. Start with modest times and increase only when your form is bulletproof. This prevents overload and injury. Done correctly, the plank protects your lower back by engaging its natural support muscles. The trick is to distribute tension evenly. Don't let your shoulders or abs shoulder the burden alone. It's living proof that the simplest concepts often yield the most powerful, consistent results. For an extreme test, place your feet on an unstable surface like a soft exercise ball, forcing your core to work overtime for balance. But the foundation never changes. Flawless alignment and calm, steady breathing. Now, a crucial bonus insight for amplifying your results. Intelligent supplementation. Your nutrition fuels your progress. Creatine, for instance, is a compound your body produces naturally and is found in foods like red meat and fish. Its primary role in building muscle is rapid energy delivery to your cells. During high-intensity efforts, your muscles use phosphocreatine stores to regenerate ATP, your fundamental cellular energy currency. Supplementing with creatine can increase these reserves, allowing you to sustain more powerful efforts for longer. This translates to a greater training stimulus for growth and strength. Additionally, creatine promotes intracellular water retention, making muscle cells more voluminous and supporting an environment conducive to protein synthesis. With consistent use, many experience more reliable gains in strength and lean mass. However, there are critical mistakes to avoid when using creatine that can turn a beneficial aid into a hindrance. If you want to know exactly what those pitfalls are, we've covered them in a video that's popping up on screen right now. Thank you so much for investing this time in your strength. If this guide brought you value, please support our channel Wines of Thought by hitting the like button. It makes a real difference. Until next time, stay strong.